BNESim eSIM Honest Review. Watch before using. BNESim is an eSIM provider offering global bull data plans with a focus on frequent travelers, digital nomads, and business professionals who need reliable connectivity across multiple countries. It claims to provide seamless coverage in over 200 destinations with no roaming fees, flexible pricing, and a user-friendly app for managing data plans. But is it actually worth using? Let's break it down. First, the coverage is extensive, but not always the best in every location. While BNESim partners with multiple networks in different countries, the quality of service varies. In major cities and well-covered regions, you'll generally get strong 4G and even 5G speeds. But in remote or less developed areas, connectivity can be inconsistent. If you rely on a stable connection for work, this could be a deal breaker depending on your destination. Pricing is another key factor. BNESim offers a pay-as-you-go model and monthly data plans, but compared to other major eSIM providers, it's not always the most affordable option. The rates can be competitive in some countries, but expensive in others, so you need to check the specific pricing for your travel destinations before committing. One advantage is their unlimited global plan, but fair usage policies apply, meaning speeds might be throttled after reaching a certain data limit. The app experience is decent, but not the best. You can easily purchase and activate plans, top up your data, and manage multiple eSIM profiles. However, some users report occasional glitches with activation or delayed customer support responses, which can be frustrating if you need immediate assistance while traveling. BNESim also offers features like a virtual phone number and VoIP services, which can be useful if you need an additional international number. But these services come at an extra cost. One major downside is the lack of transparency regarding network prioritization. In some regions, users have reported being placed on lower priority networks, leading to slower speeds during peak hours. Additionally, the customer support is hit or miss. Some users have great experiences, while others struggle to get timely help when issues arise. So, should you use BNESim? If you travel frequently to well-connected regions and want an easy-to-manage eSIM with global coverage, it's a decent choice. However, if you're looking for the absolute best value, fastest speeds, or the most reliable customer service, there are better alternatives depending on your needs. Always compare prices, check coverage quality for your destinations, and be aware of the potential limitations before purchasing. Let me know in the comments if you've tried BNESim and what your experience was like.